A local Islamic group is speaking out about immigration officials' decision to detain Youssef Megahed. He's the former USF student who was just acquitted on explosives charges. Chris Kimura is live in Tampa, where leaders of the American-Islamic group just wrapped up a news conference. Chris, what are they saying about this?
Kathy, the Council on American-Islamic Relations is calling for the immediate release of Youssef Megahed. It was just 4 days ago that he walked free from the federal courthouse in Tampa, found not guilty on 2 charges of transporting explosive materials. Federal charges that could have meant years in prison. He was found guilty. The jury found 2 times not guilty. That's what his family keeps saying over and over again. Why? Why was our son, who was found not guilty, taken into custody yet again last night at a Wal-Mart here in Tampa? The family says agents surrounded Megahed and his father. They separated the two. They were unable to talk. And the only thing they know about the charges here are outlined in a 3-page letter they received, not to the family, but to the public defender. It says that because of those charges, even though he was found not guilty, that he could possibly face deportation. The activists here say this is simply a miscarriage of justice.
This seems to be a double jeopardy. What kind of message are they sending to the jury and the Honorable Judge Merryday, furthermore to the federal court system?
And the family says they've had simply no communication with their son, and they're not even sure where he is, though they believe he will be taken to the Chrome Detention Center in Miami. Right now they think he might still be here, but they've had 0 communication with him. Now, he does not have an attorney just yet. The family is working on getting an immigration attorney for him. We do have a statement, however, from his public defender, who points out another issue here. He says that it is tragic that while Megahed here was entitled to a bail bond while he was on trial for these criminal charges and was then found not guilty, that he's being denied this at this point, is locked up anyway. They're going to fight this, they say, Kathy, and they think that they will be victorious. Back to you.
Well, Chris, I don't know if you know this so far yet about the intent here, but do they think the motivation is to try to deport him?
Yes. He is an Egyptian national. That's where he is from. His family says he's been here for about 11 years, and their intention is to naturalize and become U.S. citizens. But the Immigration and Customs Enforcement say here that while he's not a U.S. citizen just yet, they have ground to stand on under the law to move toward deporting him, and that's why he might be taken down to Miami to the Chrome Detention Center, which is oftentimes a springboard for deportation.
All right. Thank you very much. Chris Kimura reporting. Sure.